In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Wix website files, step by step, in a simple and practical way. This is a very common question, especially if you've built a website on Wix and now want to save your site files, back it up, or reuse parts of your design somewhere else. While Wix doesn't officially allow full site exports like traditional hosting platforms, there is a workaround that lets you download the website HTML and assets for reference or conversion. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can follow along easily. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more website and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to the Wix website that you have already published. This is important because you need the live version of your site, not the editor view. Make sure your website is fully loaded and displaying exactly how you want it. Once you're on the published Wix site, scroll through it briefly to confirm everything is visible, including images, text, and sections. This ensures that when you save the page, all the available content is captured. Now move on to the second step. On your published Wix website, right-click anywhere on the page. From the menu that appears, click on the option that says Save As. Your browser will then prompt you to choose a file name and a file type. Make sure you select the option that saves the page as HTML, usually labeled as Web Page Complete or HTML only, depending on your browser. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file, then click Save. Your browser will now download an HTML file along with a folder that contains related assets like images and scripts. This is essentially a snapshot of your Wix website page. Keep in mind, this won't give you the original Wix editor files, but it does give you usable HTML output of the live site. Now let's move on to the third step, which is where things get really interesting. Once the HTML file is downloaded, go to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, upload or select the HTML file that you just saved. Then simply tell ChatGPT that you want to convert this HTML into structured website files. For example, you can ask it to separate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or help clean up the code so it's easier to work with. This step is especially useful if you want to migrate your design, analyze your site structure, or rebuild it on another platform. ChatGPT can help you understand the code, reorganize files, and even suggest improvements. After ChatGPT finishes processing the file, you'll have a much clearer and more usable version of your website files. At this point, you can store them as a backup, use them for learning, or adapt them for another project. Just remember, this method is best for reference, static content, or conversion purposes, since Wix dynamic features won't fully function outside the Wix platform. And that's it. You've now learned how to download Wix website files using a simple browser method and how to convert the HTML into usable files with ChatGPT. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.